Hey there! Today we're delving into a common problem that many of us might have experienced without even realizing it. The issue lies in the wear and tear that continuous writing can cause on SD cards, potentially leading to their failure over time. Imagine having a 64GB SD card with only 5GB of data written to it. Would this seemingly ample unused space prevent the card from succumbing to wear and tear as it approaches the 100K write cycle limit? Let's find out more about this intriguing problem. In the solution provided, we learn about the importance of wear leveling in SD cards to prevent the excessive use of certain memory blocks. Without wear leveling, SD cards may repeatedly write to the same blocks, eventually wearing them out and rendering the card defective. However, SD cards with wear leveling technology, such as the WD Purple microSDs, actively distribute the write cycles across all blocks, ensuring consistent usage and prolonging the card's lifespan. It's crucial to seek out SD cards that support wear leveling to avoid premature failure due to overuse of specific memory blocks. In summary, the key takeaway here is the significance of wear leveling in ensuring the longevity of SD cards. By distributing the write cycles evenly across all blocks, wear leveling technology reduces the risk of certain blocks being overused and potentially causing the card to fail prematurely. So, next time you're in the market for an SD card, keep an eye out for those with wear leveling capabilities to safeguard your data and prolong the card's lifespan. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. After all, sharing is caring.